Yo, what is good, y'all? It's your girl AGaneé. How y'all doing today? This is AGaneé Reacts. Welcome, welcome. I hope y'all are doing well. I'm doing well. I hope you're having a productive day. Because you got to get to that bread. But anyway, hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe for your girl. Okay. It helps the algorithm and it lets me know that I am here for a reason, okay? And while you're at it, turn on those post notifications, hit that bell. You might as well, so that you know and you are aware every single time I drop an episode, which is, I can officially say this, every single day, every weekday, okay? I will be here for you with a new reaction. All right. And if you're interested in a little AGR merch, let your girl know in the comments below. I also have a tab over in the community section, a poll, I should say, rather. If you are interested in the merch, I have options. So go on over to the community tab and let your girl know what you're interested in. If you're not interested in merch, that's okay. Let me know that too. I won't be offended. And if you have any song suggestions, I do want those as well. So, enough talking y'all's head off. We're going to get right to it. We are listening to Wendy and Lisa again. I'm still not really familiar with them, but they are the 80s. So we're going to get back to the 80s. And this is Wendy and Lisa, Waterfall. I'm done talking y'all's head off, so let's get to it.
Move slow. Now your time's at hand. Take heed, 'cause our love is past. Hot views can be short or long. The time bomb of your life has come. People may come, people may go, just as long as the water's slow. Watch out when you're headed.
I'm waiting for her to move her fingers. Okay, there we go.
Dry land is just a love.
That girl's fingers stay in the same place on this guitar. But anyway.
And a place to lay. I see your future.
The chair is giving Blue's Clues thinking chair.
Above you, calm and clear. People may come, people may go, just as long as the water's slow. Watch out when you're headed for the waterfall. Love lost
I need to talk to whoever edited this.
always makes one sad. You seem to rise instead. Feel the water, ice cool water. People may come, people may go, just as long as the water's slow. Watch out when you're headed for the waterfall.
All right, I'm feeling the style.
Feel the water, ice cool
I love the bustier combo, bustier piano combo.
ice cool water.
Okay, all right. Now we're getting some finger action. Okay, so she could play. She just isn't good at fake playing. That was a hard guitar solo though.
Just as long as the water's slow. Watch out when you're headed for the waterfall. People may come, people may go. Just as long as the water's slow. Watch out when you're headed for the waterfall.
Look at how she's looking at her. She's so intense. Okay. Okay. That was a good one. We stand. We like that. We like that. Did we like that? We like that. That was cute. I think by now y'all could tell if I'm not really feeling something. And so, Wendy and Lisa. I don't really know if I'm going to choose any more of their songs, but I could definitely, it's definitely giving me the 80s vibe. Like, for sure. The big hair, the outfits. Honestly, y'all, I have more comments about the video than I do about the song. But the song was cool. The song was very 80s. The song was cute. I just wasn't feeling the video. Like, I was so distracted by the video that I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna stop talking y'all's head off. It's your girl AGaneé. Thank you for kicking it with me today. All right. Hit that thumbs up, like, and subscribe for your girl, and let me know that I am here for a reason, okay? And while you're at it, hit that bell. You might as well turn on those post notifications. That way you know every single time I drop. And just so you know, I will be dropping every single weekday at 7 a.m. So turn that bell on so you know. Just so you know, okay? And if you have any suggestions, if you are interested in any AGR merch, let your girl know in the comments below. There is also a community tab. Go on over there. If you are interested in the merch, pick out what you want, okay? Let me know what you are interested in, and I'll get that going for y'all. If you're not interested, let me know that too. That's totally fine. I will not be offended, okay? We could just move on to the next thing. And if you have any song suggestions, please throw them at me. If you have any other suggestions, throw them at me. If you have any other videos that you want me to react to, let me know. Okay? I'm here for y'all. Okay? Anyway, you could have been anywhere in the world, but you was here with your girl. I greatly, greatly appreciate that. Okay, you know I love y'all. It's your girl AGaneé for AGaneé Reacts. I will see y'all on the next episode. Peace.